Got the tailpipes on the ox finally. $40 off of Kijiji. We'll see how it sounds down the highway, I guess, on the way home.